Okay, so this is Ebony and Alex and Ebony, whatever. Part 2.
Yay!
With rats.
Plural. This is a Gia. A-J-I-A. And she likes to lick people. And that's Bara. B-A-R-A-A-H. She likes to be scared of things.
Okay.
They're all by now.
And they love to swing their tails.
I'm sorry.
For some reason they like to sit like this, and then they swing their tails.
They don't like to. The mechanism.
Their mechanism doesn't work.
The balance mechanism.
And they like to fly.
And they like to hug. Ready, watch. Hug. She's cool, calm, and collected. And I know shit. China and people. Cool. Get your butt out of the way. I just wanted.
That was Farrah's butt.
Bara, not Farrah.
Farrah's butt.
This
on
is
the
what happens
camera.
when a Gia goes on her back. Double time. Give me Bara. Give her to me. You're addicted. Hurry in your ear.
What just happened?
Chocolate Factory. Number 1 with the danger must be growing because the rowers can keep on rowing and they don't show any signs of slowing, so the danger must be growing. You can tell I watched that last night, right?
Yep.
He's saying a lot in that one. Sniffle. Oh. Agia's butt. Agia's butt. Oh my god, my head hurts. Shut the hell up. Why are you telling me to shut the hell up? You shut the hell up. Hell no.
And that's all for today.